Alright people, so this photo is about my previous photo session in Bali. So I'm taking a portrait session for this lovely lady named Irina. So she was so gorgeous this afternoon, and then she wear like a dark brown sunglasses and then the nice sexy dress with a black color and the skirt also. And now I'm using the Photoshop CC. So if you have the oldest one or the newest one, it doesn't matter. Basically using a Photoshop is almost same. So like a selection, brush, and then saturation, highlights, level adjustment, so everything will be the same, so it doesn't matter for you. So if you see here, so I'm trying to select like a part in detail. So I select for the dress, the skin, the sunglasses, the face, and then also the hair. And then after that I also select all the background, like you see like behind Irina there is a lovely scenic ocean, because today I'm staying in Uluwatu, so the result is so nice. I think the name is Suluban Cliff, so you can check the description below if you want to stay there. I'm using Agoda or Booking.com to book the hotels, and it is so nice because this resort have like a 4 to 5 private villa. So if you're going there with your family and your friends, that will be so nice. Alright, right now I'm also using a liquify just to fix all the dress, all the body. And then generally Irina has a really sexy body, but by wearing this black dress there is something that I have to fix, like in the hip, and then just around the clothes is just like a detail project. So you can fix it with liquify, but if you think that everything is already perfected, then you can go you can retouch the others. Using the Photoshop is really simple. By using selection, so you can make sure everything is perfect. Like the color, it is so hot during this afternoon, so I don't think so I can see clearly how I should, but this is the JPEG L fine files, but I try to make it perfect. So there are a lot of adjustments that I will do in this post-production. And you see here Irina's skin is so nice, so all we need to do is just adjust the skin tone. So here from the raw files it's a little bit yellow, so I will reduce the saturation and then fix everything done. Alright, if you retouching with the Photoshop, please be aware with the dark color, because if you retouch it too much there will be noise, there will be like a color scratch, and it will be so bad in the final result. So if you adjust the dark color, I think my best suggestion is using the blur filter. Don't give it too much, but just to reduce the noise. I know that my photo also have a noise here, but I try to reduce the noise using the Gaussian blur filter. And then Using the photo filter is also nice. So like a blue color for the ocean, I will put some blue photo filters. And then also for the infinity pool, I also put some blue colors, and then give the saturation done. Then set for the, what is it called, the level. So if you're using the iMac, there will be just Command and L, so you can get the like a shortcut here. So we're almost done here. So I will show you the final results, so like a before and after. And here we go.